Now we will put vinegar. The magma comes out in the form of lava.
A model on floods. Floods occurs when a volume of water bodies such as rivers or lakes overflows its usual boundaries. This happens when an area receives excessive rainfall. Floods can destroy crops, trees, and buildings, etc. Floods can also cause due to landslides, strong tides, storms at seas, cyclones, and tsunamis.
Easy Georgie of class 50. Today I will represent the drone. This is drone.
Class 50 representing a model of a volcano. This is a volcano. It flows out from the mountain.
These are models of views. Just like this is made up of cardboard, and this is made up of cardboard base and a box.